Grammar is a very important part of the English syllabus. The grammar portion of the syllabus carries around 20 marks. The grammar portion tests the grammar concepts learnt in the earlier classes and tests the students by letting them apply those concepts in the exam. Generally, the grammar concepts which are tested are related to verb forms, sentence structure, connectors, determiners, pronouns, prepositions, clauses, phrases, etc. Hence, it becomes very important for the students to revise these concepts while preparing for the grammar portion of the syllabus. Before we start, I would request the students to go thoroughly over these concepts so that it becomes easier for them to attempt the questions. Students, in this module, we will focus on the error correction type of problems. In this type of question, a paragraph is given. The paragraph contains grammatical errors which need to be corrected. Each line of the paragraph has an error. The student has to write the incorrect word along with the correction in the space provided. This exercise will test your command on English grammar. While attempting these types of questions, look for grammatical errors in the lines and finally replace them with the grammatically correct word or group of words. Let us try to do a sample question. Remember the first rule while attempting these types of questions. Proceed line by line, that is, solve the question line by line. Never read the whole paragraph at once. This wastes a lot of crucial examination time. Let us start with the first line. The Egyptians were the first for make paper. In this line, we find that the word for has been wrongly used. It should be replaced by to. The correct idiom is first to. So the sentence will be, the Egyptians were the first to make paper. Let us see the next line. From a reel calling papyrus, it grew in the. In this line, we find that the word calling has been wrongly used. It should be replaced by called. So the sentence will be, from a reel called papyrus, it grew in the. Let us see the next line. Delta of River Nile in Africa, for the long time. In this line, we find that the word the has been wrongly used. It should be replaced by a. This line is testing our knowledge on articles. Here, the use of a is correct as a is referring to a non-specific long time. If the would have been used, it would have referred to a particular long time. So the sentence will be, Delta of River Nile in Africa, for a long time. Let us see the next line. Papyrus continues to be used as writing material. In this line, we find that the word continues has been wrongly used. It should be replaced by continued. Since we are talking of an event of past, we should use the past form of tense. Hence, continues, which is present form of tense, should be replaced by the past form, which is continued. So the sentence will be, papyrus continued to be used as writing material. So students, this is how the questions on error corrections are to be solved. Let us recap a few tricks we have learned while attempting this question. 1. Never read the whole paragraph at once. This will certainly waste your time in examination. Read the lines one by one and fill the gaps as they appear. 2. Always look for grammatically incorrect options, as these types of questions judge your grammar skills. Subject-verb agreement, tense, etc. are some of the most important grammar skills tested in these types of questions.